Hey, what's up, Brandon? This is Devin Norton from SEO Dallas, Texas. Thanks for talking to me earlier today, and thank you for watching this video. I'm going to briefly show you 3 easy ways to improve your website presence online and bring in more customers. If you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, there's a lot of business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business, taking care of their customers, and they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And typically, the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So, I found that by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, a lot of business owners still end up calling me back and asking me to do this stuff for them. So if that's all you see, I've got some tricks on my sleeve and you want me to help you, give me a call and we can chat. If you want to take this information and apply it yourself, that's okay too. This is free education with no strings attached. I'm going to quickly show you how to make your website more of an authority, how to make it more trustworthy, and how to rank yourself in the local map hack rankings. So first off, I know you don't have a website. I know you're on Angie's List, but that's awesome because a lot of plumbers aren't even there yet, and that's a great way to get yourself found. You want to make sure you have some sort of online presence, but you do want to have your own website because it's a lot cheaper than Angie's List. And Angie's List is actually robbing you of of leads right now, and I'll show you that in a second. If you look at the main guys that pop up for Slab Leak Repair Arlington, it's these guys, Slab Leak Solutions. You're gonna want to beat them with content. They're probably sitting at about 500 words on this page. What Google considers authoritative websites is having about 1,500 to 2,000. So that's what I would make sure you go shoot for. And make sure you have the proper keywords in there, like Slab Leak Repair Arlington, Arlington Plumbing, Slab Leak Repair Services in Arlington. They're doing it the right way. You just want more content than them. So that's my first tip. My next tip is to make yourself more trustworthy. Google looks at how many other websites are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website, because that's, in a way, is like that other website vouching for you. However, they want relevant backlinks. They don't want like a pizza company linking to you. They'd rather see a plumbing company linking to you. The tool I use to check this out is called Ahrefs. Costs about $1,000 a month, but it gives you really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. And it says Slab Leak Solutions, they have 15 websites linking to them. That's really easy to beat. You can find that really easily by going and copying them. Just go see what websites are linking to them and go to those websites. And there's usually a contact us button, and you just go ask them like, hey, can I get a link as well? And it's really easy to do. But here's the thing. These guys have 92 websites, or 92 people a month looking at their website every single month. Check it out. These guys only do slab leaks. That's a lot of money if you have that many people who are interested in looking at your website every single month. And they were doing a lot better before, and they're actually not doing that great now. So you still be able to beat them. So that's my second tip: is get not only more content but get more backlinks. You're gonna probably want to get 30 to 40. My last thing is when somebody types in Slab Leak Repair Arlington and they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first plumber that shows up that seems trustworthy. You want to be that plumber because those are the easiest customers to close. People skip these ads all the time. It could be from ad blockers or just having bad experiences. So where you want to rank yourself is right here. But before I get into this, let me show you how Angie's List is robbing you. If you type in Slab Leak Repair Arlington, look, you come up right here. This is you. However, this is through Angie's List. So all those leads that should be going to you are going through Angie's List first, and then you're paying them. That's a waste of money. They're charging you a ton of money. If you own this website, you get this spot, and you can actually get above these guys, all right? So you want to get to this section right here. To get here, you need more citations than your competitors, which is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, HomeAdvisor. These are really common ones. The best strategy here is to figure out what directories your competitors are listed in. Go list yourself in those same ones and then add a bunch more on top. So like if Texas Slab Leak Repairs in 150 different directories, go put yourself in like 250 or even 300. So that's all I've got for you, Brandon. I hope you found this informative. As a quick recap, you're going to want to get more authoritative by having more content. You're going to want to make yourself more trustworthy by having more websites linking to you. And then you're going to want to make yourself more, you want to get yourself found in the local map hack rankings by having more, putting yourself in more directories than these guys. Brandon, if you want to take this information and apply it yourself, that's okay. This is free education. There's no strings attached. Just please give me some feedback and let me know if you thought this information was valuable. If you do want me to help you with this stuff, you can also email us back and ask for more information or give us a call. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. Either way, I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks, Brandon. Bye.